Good morning, dear students. Previous class we are discussed in the capital gain chapter related practical problems. Then today we are discussed about the capital gain chapter related question paper solution in 2019, 2018 and 2019 question paper. Let's see. Let's start the today class. See that question. Yes. Before go to the question paper solution, see that note. Year of indexing in all the question papers. Number of index has been changed in 2019, 2018 and 2017 question paper. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ನ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈ ಒಂದು 3 ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ನ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆನೋ ಆ ಒಂದು ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟು, ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 2001 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2001 ಬಿಫೋರ್ 1896 1870 1890 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು 2001 ಇಯರು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು 2001 to 17 ಇಯರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಯರ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ದೆನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆನೋ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರನ ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸುನಿಲ್ ಫರ್ನಿಶ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್. So in this question given to the 2 column, particular column, then second one is jewelry column. See, the year of purchase 2001 to 2, then year of sale 2018 to 19, then cost of purchase rupees 1,16,000, then sales proceeds value rupees 15,31,000, then commission paid on sales rupees 6,000. The next, Mr. Sunil purchased a new residential house for rupees 9,15,000 on 15/3/2019 out of sales proceeds of jewelry. The cost inflation index for the financial year 2001 to 2 and 2018 to 19, where index number is 100 then and 280 respectively. Compute is capital gain for the financial year 2019-20. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಇಯರ್ 2001ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಎಸ್, see that. So before now solution ಹೋಗೋ ಮುಂಚೆ it is a short term or long term we consider firstly. See, The purchase year is 2001, then sale year is 2018. So it is a period of holding is more than 3 years. So we consider that it is a long term capital gain. See that solution. Sales proceeds. Firstly, the sales proceeds is, yes. So sales proceeds value is taken in question. So sales proceeds value is given in the question 15,31,000. So we take the 15,31,000 directly in outer column. The next, selling expenses, nothing but a commission paid on sales. So any commission paid or legal expenses or registration fees, so is all on expenses is called selling expenses. So in this question given in the commission paid on sales amount is 6,000. Nothing but a selling expenses is 6,000. So selling expenses is 6,000. Then after deduct that value is 15,25,000. It is a net consideration value. Next, less index cost of acquisition. See that question. So in this question, give to the cost of purchase. So not given in the fair market value. So we take that the purchase value is 1,16,000. 1,16,000. Then purchase year is 2001. Purchase year is 2001. It is a index number is 100. Then 2018-19 it is a sale year, index number is 280. Yes. See. Yes. Purchase value, purchase cost is 1,16,000 into 289, nothing but a sale year index number 280 divided by 100. So 100 it is a purchase year index number. 1,16,000 into 280 by 100. The simplified value is taken in inner column 3,24,800. So then next, after we deduct that net consideration value is a 15,25,000. Then deduct that cost value is 3,24,800. Then after value is 12,200. It is a gross long term capital gain. The next, less exemption under section 54. See that question. In this question is not given in the so yes. So in this question is given in the new residential house is 9,15,000. 9,15,000. We take that outer column. Then after we deduct that gross long term capital gain value is 12,200. Then deduct that cost of new residential house value is 9,15,000. The after deduct that value is 2,85,200. It is a taxable long term capital gain. So taxable long term capital gain. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ, ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇನ್ 50 marks. ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. Yes. So in this question asked in 2018 question paper for 15 marks. See that question. From the following information, compute capital gain. Sri Veeresh for the assessment year 2019-20. Particular, then to house 1, then house 2 value. See that particular column. Firstly, date of purchase under house 1 May 2, nothing but a fair market value 2. 2005 May 2. So it is a date of purchase. Then under house 2 December 4, 2005. Then cost of acquisition is under house 1 1,90,000. Then house 2 2,50,000. Then fair market value 1/4/2005 under house 1 1,75,000, then house 2 3,50,000. The next cost of improvement in 2011 to 12 under house 1 51,800, then house 2 77,700. The next sales proceeds of property in 2019-20. So under house 1 is 24 lakh 14,500. The next under house 2 43 lakh 61,000. The next okay, registration and legal expenses include for sales rupees under house 1 2,000, then house 2 600. The next cost inflation index for the financial year 2005 to 6, 2011 to 12 and 2019 to 20. Index number is 117, 184, 289 respectively. So ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ 2015 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. Yes. So before go to the solution, we consider two house. It is a short term or long term. See. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಎರಡು ಹೌಸು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಫೇರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸೊ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಫೇರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2005 ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಫೇರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 2005 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬಂದು 2019 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2005 to 2019 holding period is more than 3 years. So we consider the long term capital gain. Then 2000, yes, to the house 2 also. So house 2 also it is a long term capital gain. Yes, see that solution. Computations of long term capital gain. See, wrong. Yes, computations of long term capital gain house 1 and house 2 for the financial year 2019-20. Then one particular column, then two house column, two amount column. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಎಫ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಟ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್. ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ house 1. Firstly, sales proceeds value. See that question. So sales proceeds or sales consideration value under house 1 24,14,500. 24,14,500. It is a house 1 value. See that taken in inner column. So house 1 sales proceeds value is 24,14,500. So we take that inner column. The next less selling expenses. See that question. Selling expenses nothing but a registration or legal expenses include for sales. So any sale related any registration fee, legal expenses or commission paid or transportation for sales related, it is treated as a sales expenses. So sales expenses under house 1 2,000. So we take that solution. Selling expenses is 2,000. So amount taken in inner column. After deduct that value 24,12,500. It is a net consideration value. So we take that outer column also 24,12,500. The next, less index cost of acquisition. So see that question. Fair market value in this under house 1, fair market value 1 for 2000, 1 for 2005. Then under house 1,75,000. So 1,75,000 it is a fair market value under house 1. See that 2005 index number is 170. Then year of sale 2019-20. So 1920 index number is 289. See. So fair market value index, fair market value is 1,75,000 into 289, nothing but a sale year index number 289 by 117. 117 is a fair market value 2005 year of index number 117. 1,75,000 into 289 by 117. The simplified value is taken in inner column 4,32,265. The next index cost of improvement. See that question. So cost of improvement value 51,800. The year is 2011. So 2011 year 11 index number is 184. So yes, cost of index cost of improvement value is 51,800 into 289 by 184. The simplified value is taken in inner column 81,360. The total cost is taken in outer column. So total cost is 5 lakh. So 5,13,625. Then after deduct that net consideration value. So net consideration value is a 24,12,500. Then deduct the total cost value is 5,13,625. Then after deduct that value is 18,98,875. It is a gross long term capital gain value. The next less exemption under 54. Next, new residential house. See that question. So under house 1 is not given in the residential house. So nil. Yes, new residential houses value is house nil. Next, after remaining value is 18,98,875. It is a capital gain for house 1. So house 1 capital gain is 18,98,875. Yes, this is a house 1. The next computations of long term capital gain house 2. Then sales proceeds. See that question under house 2. Sales proceeds value under house 2 43,61,000. See that 43,61,000. We take that amount in inner column 43,61,000. The next less selling expenses. See that question. Selling expenses under house 2 6,000. Selling expenses under house 2 amount is 6,000. Then after deduct that value is 43,55,000. So it is a net consideration value. So this amount taken in outer column also 43,55,000. The next less index cost of improvement. Sorry, index cost of acquisition. See that question. Fair market value in under a house 2 3,50,000. So 2005 index number is 117. Yes, Index cost of acquisition, nothing but a fair market value, 3,50,000 into 289 by 117. 117, it is a fair market value index number. Then simplify value is taken in inner column, 8,64,530. So then next, index cost of improvement. See that question, index cost of improvement under house 2. See, so cost of improvement is under house 2, 77,500, sorry, 77,700. So here is 2011. So 2011 index number is 184. See, yes. 77,700 into 289 by 184. The simplified value is taken in inner column, 1,22,040. Then total cost is, so this total cost is 9,86,570. Then after the deduct that net consideration value is 43,55,000 less total cost value is 9,86,570. The total after deduct that value is 33,68,430. It is a gross long term capital gain value. The next, less exemption under section 54, new residential house nil, because of under house 2 new residential house amount is not given, so it is nil. Then after the remaining value is 33,68,430. It is a capital gain value. See, yes, house to also calculate. Then next, see, so house one capital gain value is 18,98,875. See that value. The next house 2 value is house 2 capital gain value is 33,68,430. The total value, total capital gain is 52,67,305. It is a total 2 house capital gain value. So it is a simple solution of the 50 marks question. So I hope it is clear to understand. So thank you for watching.